Congratulations to Pasay Parañaque Medical Society. Thank you very much for making me a part of this very important event, which aims to showcase the talents of medical doctors nationwide, the 21st Singing Physicians Contest. I'd also like to say that I enjoyed each and every performance. I enjoyed watching them. Congratulations to all the participants. Keep on singing, and music really brings people together. Let us use music to bridge gaps, misunderstandings, differences. Let us help one another, and let us try our very best to work together towards a better and brighter future. Congratulations again.
Hey guys, Yael here of Sponge Cola, one of your judges. I just want to say congrats to everyone. And you know how they say that doctors save lives and artists make life worth living? Well, some people do say that. And in this case, you guys did both sides. So it's pretty cool to see. Keep playing music. Maybe write next time, that'd be cool. And again, congrats everyone. And hope to see you guys soon. I mean, I hope I'm not sick. But, uh-oh.
18. Down sa 3.
Sa mundo ay tiyakan, hawak kamay, di bitaw, sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo na kawalan, laging isipin mayroon kang kasama.
Halika na, pumikit, limutin ang problema. Hihintayin ang umaga. Magpahinga, panaginipan, ikaliligaya. Darating din ang umaga. Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umaga. Kay ganda, pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating pag-asa'y narito na. Dumating din, haharapin natin. Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umaga. Kay ganda, pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umaga.